There's something reassuring about opening a new camera box. Not flashy, not rushed, just careful, deliberate engineering. And today, that box contains the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. This is Canon's idea of balance: speed, low-light performance, and reliability. Built for people who actually shoot, not just read spec sheets. Straight away, Canon keeps things familiar. No gimmicks here, just solid packaging, neatly laid out, exactly as it should be. Inside the box, the body, battery, charger, strap, paperwork, everything you need, nothing you don't. And the body itself? Compact, dense, and confidence-inspiring. This feels like a tool, not a toy. The R6 Mark III keeps that classic Canon ergonomics. Deep grip, well-placed buttons, and controls you can find without looking. If you've shot Canon before, this feels instantly familiar. Muscle memory kicks in, and that's a good thing. Weather-sealed, magnesium alloy construction, and just enough weight to remind you it means business. At the heart of the R6 Mark III is a full-frame sensor, delivering roughly 24 megapixels, a sweet spot for photographers and video shooters alike. This isn't about chasing huge megapixel numbers. It's about cleaner files, faster readout, and better low-light performance. Dynamic range is strong, colors are classic Canon, natural skin tones, pleasing contrast, and files that grade beautifully. Where this camera really shines is low light. With a native ISO range stretching well into the tens of thousands, and expandable far beyond that, the R6 Mark III is built for dark environments. Events, interiors, night shooting. This camera is designed to keep noise under control while holding on to detail and color. In practical terms, you can shoot later, darker, and with more confidence. For video shooters, the R6 Mark III continues Canon's push forward. You're getting high-quality 4K recording, excellent autofocus tracking, and in-body image stabilization that genuinely works. Handheld footage looks smoother, micro jitters disappear, and paired with a stabilized lens, it's a very forgiving setup. This is the kind of camera you can trust for run-and-gun work, talking head videos, and documentary-style shooting. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III doesn't try to reinvent photography. It refines what already works: strong low-light performance, reliable autofocus, solid build quality, and colors you don't have to fight in post. If you value consistency over hype and real-world performance over headline numbers, this is a very compelling camera. And that's the unboxing. Next up, getting it out into the real world where it belongs.